Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make this beanie. For this hat I use this yarn is Knit Craft Leader of the Pack Aran weight yarn, and I use 6.5 and 7mm crochet hook with that. It recommends 5mm, but I use bigger hooks. And it's 170 meters, and I use less than one ball of yarn. You can see the remaining yarn, and it's really so easy. You can make it quickly and use it. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any question about it, please leave comments below. I like to read your comments, as I say always. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I'll start with a slip knot. And then chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Turn your chains like that and use these back loops. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops. Make it one more time and make totally 8 single crochet, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Chain 1, turn. I will make single crochets again, but I will only use these back loops here. That's the front loop, that's the back loop. Insert my hook here, make a single crochet. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 single crochet. Chain 1 again and turn. Starting from the first one, repeat the same pattern. Just put 1 single crochet for the back loops. When you're making this last one, if you want, you can take both loops. If you want, you can make it for the first one too. I will make it like that this time. I will change it, always change it. Sometimes I take only for these 2 loops. Sometimes I take this and this. It's up to you. And keep making like that and make your brim. You will make, you can make totally 52 rows for an adult size. You can add a few more rows if you want. It's not too important. Just wrap it around your head and measure it like that. If it fits, it's okay. I made 54 rows and I will put them like that. You see, that's my beginning point here, and that's my loop. I will put them like that. Insert my hook from this first stitch grab the loop and pull it. Chain 1, insert into same stitch, and for this back one only use back loops. Insert into that back loop, grab the yarn, pull it, and make a slip stitch. Into the next stitch, insert both loops and back loop only, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, make a slip stitch. And that's the last one. It's finished. It will look like that. Chain 1, and starting from here, I will make single crochets. That's the first one. Make 1 single crochet for 1 row. Look, that's first row, and that's second row, that's third, fourth, and keep making like that. Make a single crochet here and here. Here and here. I will keep making single crochets like that, and I will totally have 52 single crochets, but I need multiples of 3, so I want to make it 54. I will add 2 single crochet anywhere I want. I will make a single crochet here, and I want to make 1 more here, then here. That's the first one. I will add 1 for here, and when I finish this, I will add 1 more here and complete it to multiples of 3, 54. You can work with different numbers of row, so make it multiples of 3, and that's okay. Okay, I'll complete this single crochets and turn. I'm at the end and I have my 53 single crochets. Now I will make 1 more here, and it's 54. Insert my hook into that first stitch, grab the yarn and pull it. I will change my crochet hook and I will use 7mm from now on. Chain 1, insert into same place, make a single crochet, yarn over, insert into the same place, grab the yarn and yarn over, pull it through from all the loops. That's a half double crochet. Yarn over again and into the same space again. Insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through from 2 loops, yarn over and pull it through from second 2 loops. And that's a double crochet. We made a single, and half double and double. Skip 2 into the third one, insert your hook, make a single, and half double and a double crochet. Skip 2 into the third one, single, half double, double. Skip 2 and keep repeating same pattern. Put a single crochet, half double, double crochet into same space, then skip 2. I will finish this row like that. I made my last double crochet and join from a single crochet with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And now I have a double crochet here. Insert my hook into this double crochet and make a single crochet first, then a half double crochet, then a double crochet. Skip this half double crochet and single crochet into that next double crochet. Insert your hook, make a single, half double, double. Skip half double, single into the next double crochet, make a single, half double, double. Into the next one, single, half double, double. So go ahead and finish this row. Making my last half double crochet and double crochet, then join with the slip stitch here into that first single crochet. Chain 1, turn, insert into first double crochet, make a single, half double, double. Into the next one, here, skip these 2, and here, make a single, half double, double. Into the next one, make it again. We will repeat the same pattern again and again. I plan to do it almost 8 inches long. Measure it from here to there. I must look at it. More than 8 inches, 9 inches. I'll make it for 9 inches long. Then we can close this head. I'll make it and turn. I made this almost 9 inches long, and I made this really so fast. You can make it maybe 1 hour or 1.5 hours. And now I'll make some kind of decrease, we can call it like that. I chain 1, insert here and make a single crochet and then a half double crochet. I'll not make a double crochet from now on. Into the next double crochet stitch, make a single, make a half double. Into the next one, make a single, make a half double, and single and a half double. I'll complete this row like that. I complete the row and join from slip stitch here into that single crochet stitch. Chain 1 and turn. And I have a half double crochet here. I will make a single crochet, half double crochet, skip one into the next one, single, half double, skip one into the next one, single, half double. I will finish this row like that. I made the last one and doing from the single crochet, chain one, turn. Now for this row I will only make single crochets into that half double crochet stitches. Make a single crochet, skip one, single crochet, skip one, single crochet. Go ahead and finish this row like that. And that's the last single crochet, join from this first stitch, chain one, cut the yarn. Take a yarn needle and I will sew it like that. Insert here and here. Pull it and close it nicely. I will give the yarn inside and tie it. Now here is pom-poms. I will choose one and use it. I think that will be nice. And that's it. I hope you like this beanie. If you make it, please share it with me too. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram and my Pinterest address. If you have any question, as I said before, please leave comments. And that's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.